Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic Introduction to Gene Therapy. Gene Therapy Overview. Gene therapy is a promising field of medicine that has the potential to cure a wide variety of genetic diseases. Objectives: to explain how gene therapy works. Introduction: Understanding gene therapy and its applications in medicine. 70% success rate of gene therapy. Gene therapy has a success rate of 70% in treating genetic disorders, making it is a promising field for future medical advancements. Gene therapy treatment success. The success rate of gene therapy treatment has been on the rise, with 2019 seeing a 55% success rate. Gene therapy is a providing hope for treating genetic disorders and diseases. Item 1 20%, item 2 40%, item 3 60%, and item 4 80%. Gene therapy effective treatment. The line graph represents the results of a study conducted on the effectiveness of gene therapy in treating various genetic disorders. The data shows a significant improvement in symptoms and quality of life for the patients who understand and underwent the treatment compressed and compared to those who did not. These findings suggest that gene therapy holds great potential for the treatment of genetic disorders and could offer hope to many individuals and families affected by this condition. Item 1 to item 5. Item 1 15% to item 5 35%. Gene therapy 1960s. Early research into gene therapy begins with initial successes in animal models. 2003. Mapping on the human genome opens up new possibilities for gene therapy. 2012. First successful clinical trial and trial of gene therapy for Leber's congenital amaurosis. Present CRISPR hurdles a new era of gene editing possibilities. Gene therapy revolutionizing medicine with advanced genetic treatments. Thank you. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and listening my video and share.